Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make buffalo chicken dip. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of your favorite buffalo hot sauce, 1/2 cup of ranch or blue cheese dressing, and 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese. Having everything ready makes the process super smooth. Now, let's create the delicious base for our dip. In a large mixing bowl, combine the softened 8-ounce block of cream cheese with 1/2 cup of buffalo hot sauce and 1/2 cup of ranch or blue cheese dressing. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until they are completely smooth and well combined. This creamy mixture forms the heart of your buffalo chicken dip, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. Next, it's time to add the stars of the show, the chicken and cheese. Gently fold in your 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken into the creamy base we just prepared. Then, add 1 cup of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese, making sure to save about 1/2 cup for the top. Mix everything until the chicken and cheese are evenly distributed, ensuring a perfect bite every time. Finally, let's get this delicious dip ready for serving. Transfer your buffalo chicken dip mixture into an 8 by 8 inch baking dish. Sprinkle the remaining 1/2 cup of shredded cheese evenly over the top. Bake it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until bubbly and golden. Serve warm and enjoy with your favorite dippers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.